Tracy here from Uniquely Creative. It is the 5th of the month, which means it is Creative Kit Club launch day. This month we have got for you our Outback Divine kit, and I am going to take you through what is in the kit. Let's start off with these two washi tapes. So we've got the beautiful bottle brush one, and this is like a geo texture. We have some gold rhinestones. We have a packet of our new flowers. This is our dusty pink. They go perfectly with this collection. We've got a cute little stencil. This one is called Pebbles. We have got two lots of creative cuts. So we have got our regular creative cuts in here, and we have added in this month some of our vellum creative cuts. Now, let me just show you, I've taken some out of the packet here, how beautiful and vibrant and awesome the vellum is. We didn't lose any of the gorgeous richness or the colors on this vellum. They're so delightful. So they're in there. This is the wooden laser cut that says Divine, and you've got all the leaves. Some sweet little lace, very cute lace. A full packet of our slimline card and envelopes. We have got our watercolor cut apart sheet. This is really beautiful foliage, all your leaves of both types. I've forgotten what this are called. My mum will be sad with me. Cannot remember it. This is our cut apart sheet. And you can cut all of those out with our essential dies. The magazine, which is full of beautiful scrapbooking ideas with all the instructions, as you can see, all your step-by-steps. And there is also some, there's 4 with instructions, and there's also some beautiful just ideas as well the DT have given you. Make sure you drop by our blog as well. Card making ideas. This is one of the add-on dies this month. It's called Slim Gum Leaves. And how divine is that card? So cute. Lots of ideas in the magazine each and every month, and I just want to find one to show you. This is the card in the box that Nairi has made, and it is just stunning, and she's given you the instructions, which is most exciting. Okay, we've got some watercolor card. We have got some of the glitter card stock. This is in 12 by 12 in white, and the collection pack. So that is everything that's in the kit. I'm just going to quickly show you some of the cards and layouts that DT have made with it. So there's the card in the box I showed you before. Some more cute card ideas that are included in the magazine. That's with the die, the paper piecing. It's that card I showed you before. It's my favourite, I think. Cute little rosette. The girls teach you how to do that in the book too. Just some really great ideas for your card makers. You don't need to make cards, by the way. The cards are just there if you want to. There's 4 card ideas with instructions and 4 without. There's 4 scrapbooking ideas and 4 without. So you can choose to make all layouts or all cards. Entirely up to you. I generally make layouts and then make a few cards of my leftovers. I should show you the dies very quickly. These are our 2 add-on dies. So this is the Slim Gum Leaves die, and this is the Wattle die, okay? And you'll see that the girls have used, so there's that gum leaves die cut up and put in there. They've used them throughout their layouts, lots of the little wattle in there as well. Such beautiful colours. Here's the wattle, isn't it pretty? More of those dies. Now, of course, if you've already got dies at home you want to use that you've got in your stash, go for it. You don't need to buy the dies. No pressure ever to buy the dies. Be like you girls using what you have already, if you can. But these ones are pretty. This is the die from last month. If you did purchase that, that is the outline alphabet die. So sweet, isn't it gorgeous? There is that Divine from the laser cut, and you can buy an extra laser cut. Always can add on extra of the bits and pieces if you want another laser cut for sure. Okay, that is it. It is Kit Club launch day. They are now available on our site. Well, 10:30 SA time. Be quick. Obviously, our kits sell fast. If you want to subscribe, you will always save. There is $82 worth of product in this kit for just $49.95. If you subscribe, it's even less. It's $45. You save 10%. Thank you so much for watching me, guys. Thanks for supporting our business as always. I hope you love this kit as much as I do. Till next time. Bye.